Hey everyone, Graham Stephan here. Today I want to take you on a journey that transformed my life in ways I never imagined. Before diving into my real estate journey, let me rewind a bit. Let's go back to where it all started. I used to be your average guy, stuck in the corporate grind. Day in and day out, I found myself confined to a cubicle, surrounded by the hum of office chatter and the glow of computer screens. Working 9 to 5, feeling unfulfilled. The routine was monotonous and I felt like I was just going through the motions, living for the weekends. Like many, I craved something more: financial freedom, flexibility and control over my own destiny. I would often find myself daydreaming at my desk, imagining a life where I could call the shots. Real estate always intrigued me. The idea of owning property, of having a tangible asset that could generate income, was fascinating. I started reading books, watching videos and soaking up as much information as I could. It seemed like a tangible way to build wealth, a path toward the life I envisioned. I saw real estate as a vehicle that could take me from where I was to where I wanted to be. I knew I didn't want to be tied down to a desk forever. The thought of spending the next 30 years in the same environment was daunting. I wanted more out of life. I wanted to design a life on my own terms. A life where I could wake up excited about the day ahead, where I could pursue my passions and have the freedom to explore new opportunities. So I took the plunge. I attended seminars, networked with industry professionals, and started to build my knowledge base. It wasn't easy, and there were times when I doubted myself. But I persevered. I made my first property purchase, and that was the turning point. It was a small step, but it was the beginning of something much bigger. I started renovating properties, learning the ins and outs of the business. Each project taught me something new, and I became more confident in my abilities. Seeing the joy on my tenants' faces when they moved into their new homes was incredibly rewarding. It wasn't just about the money, it was about making a positive impact on people's lives. Over time, my portfolio grew, and so did my sense of fulfillment. I had created a life that I was proud of, one that aligned with my values and aspirations. Now I share my journey with others, hoping to inspire them to take control of their own destinies. If I can do it, so can you. It's never too late to chase your dreams and build the life you want. So if you're feeling stuck, remember that change is possible. It starts with a single step, a decision to pursue something greater. Your real estate dreams are within reach. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. What truly ignited my passion for real estate was the desire for freedom. The kind of freedom that allows you to wake up each day and decide how you want to spend your time without being tied down by a rigid schedule or a demanding boss. Freedom from the daily grind, the monotonous routine of commuting through endless traffic, and the stress of meeting deadlines in a cluttered office environment. Freedom to pursue my passions, whether it's painting, playing a musical instrument, or any other hobby that brings joy and fulfillment to my life. Freedom to spend time with loved ones, to enjoy a meal together without rushing, and to play with my kids in the park without constantly checking the clock. Real estate, with its potential for passive income, represented the key to unlocking that freedom. The idea of owning properties that generate income while I sleep was incredibly appealing. I was tired of trading time for money. The frustration of working late hours, missing out on important moments, and feeling like a hamster on a wheel was overwhelming. I wanted my money to work for me. I wanted to invest in something that would grow over time, providing a steady stream of income without constant effort. The idea of generating income without actively working sounded incredibly appealing. It meant more time for family, hobbies, and personal growth. That's when I realized real estate investing could be my ticket to financial independence. It wasn't just about making money, it was about creating a life where I had control over my time and my future. I started attending seminars, reading books, and networking with experienced investors. The more I learned, the more convinced I became that this was the path for me. I began by investing in a small property, renovating it and renting it out. The process was challenging but rewarding. Each step brought me closer to my goal of financial freedom. Today I can proudly say that real estate has given me the freedom and flexibility I yearned for. It has allowed me to create a life filled with joy, passion, and the ability to spend quality time with my loved ones. The journey wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Real estate has not only provided financial stability, but also the priceless gift of freedom, and for that I am eternally grateful. My first real estate investment was far from glamorous. It was a journey filled with uncertainty and hope, a leap into the unknown. It was a humble duplex purchased with every penny I had saved. The property wasn't much to look at, but it represented a dream, a stepping stone to something greater. I was nervous, excited, and determined all at the same time. Holding those keys in my hand felt surreal. A mix of fear and exhilaration coursing through me. Looking back, it was the scariest yet most exhilarating decision I ever made. The weight of responsibility was immense, but so was the potential for growth and success. I spent months researching, attending seminars, and connecting with experienced investors. I immersed myself in the world of real estate, absorbing every bit of knowledge I could find. I knew knowledge was power, especially in a field as complex as real estate. I studied market trends, property values, and investment strategies, determined to make informed decisions. I visited countless properties, taking notes and evaluating each one meticulously. Every visit was a learning experience, teaching me what to look for and what to avoid. Negotiating the purchase was another challenge. I had to learn the art of negotiation, balancing assertiveness with fairness to secure the best deal possible. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, I signed the paperwork and finalized the deal. The sense of accomplishment was overwhelming, a testament to my hard work and perseverance. The journey didn't end there. I rolled up my sleeves and got to work, renovating the property and making improvements to add value. It was a labor of love, transforming the duplex into a desirable home. Eventually, I rented out the property to tenants who were thrilled with their new home. Seeing their happiness was incredibly rewarding, a validation of my efforts. Reflecting on my journey, I felt a deep sense of pride. My first foray into the real estate market was a roller coaster of emotions, but it was worth every moment. It taught me resilience, determination, and the importance of continuous learning. With my first investment under my belt, I felt ready to take on new challenges. The experience had ignited a passion for real estate, and I was eager to explore new opportunities and continue growing in this exciting field. The road to real estate success is rarely smooth. I encountered my fair share of challenges along the way. From difficult tenants to unexpected repairs, each obstacle tested my patience and resolve. There were moments when I doubted myself, wondering if I had made the right decision. But I reminded myself why I started this journey in the first place. I learned from my mistakes, adapted my strategies, and emerged stronger and more knowledgeable. Section 5: Building my blueprint strategies for passive income success. Over time, I developed a set of strategies that helped me build a substantial passive income stream through real estate. One key approach was focusing on cash flow positive properties where rental income exceeded expenses. I also diversified my portfolio, investing in a mix of single-family homes, multi-unit properties, and even a small apartment complex. Diversification helped mitigate risk and provided multiple streams of passive income. Section 6: The power of persistence. Never stop learning and growing. The real estate market is constantly evolving. That's why continuous learning is crucial for long-term success. I never stopped educating myself, attending industry events, reading books, and staying informed about market trends. Persistence is equally important. Building a successful real estate portfolio takes time and effort. There will be setbacks, but it's important to stay focused on your goals and never give up on your dreams. Section 7: You can do it too. Embark on your real estate adventure. If I could achieve financial freedom through real estate, you can too. It doesn't matter where you start or what your background is. With the right mindset, dedication, and a willingness to learn, you can achieve amazing things. Take that first step. Educate yourself, connect with other investors, and start exploring the possibilities in your local market. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are well worth it. Throughout my real estate journey, I realized the importance of community. Surrounding myself with like-minded individuals, mentors, fellow investors, and industry experts proved invaluable. Sharing experiences, exchanging ideas, and learning from each other's successes and failures accelerated my growth. Remember, you don't have to go it alone. Seek out communities and build a support system that empowers you to succeed. Here are a few key takeaways from my real estate journey. Invest in education. Knowledge is your most powerful asset. Focus on cash flow. Seek properties that generate positive income. Diversify your portfolio. Spread risk and create multiple income streams. Be persistent. Success takes time and effort. Don't give up. To join a community. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. I'm passionate about sharing my knowledge and helping others achieve financial freedom through real estate. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Take action, stay committed, and watch your dreams turn into reality. For more real estate investing tips, strategies, and inspiration, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. Let's connect and build a brighter financial future together.